Hello guys, this is view for the Wi-Fi repeater. We have the WPS button, we have the power indicator, the wireless indicator, the WPS indicator and the LAN indicator. We have the LAN cable to put inside, we have the reset button, and that is all about. Well, let's see how we can connect this. Well, we're going to our computer and choosing a Wi-Fi repeater is already open and connected. Lovely. Then we are going here to this page and automatically it lets us go inside of the menu. We have the basic settings. You can enable the security. Very good. You must have security. Okay. Oh, thank you very much. Advanced settings. Some professional settings. WPS. Let's enable it. The pin. Scheduled. Back. Okay. We have the password for admin, etc, etc. I'll put the same password. Apply. Thank you very much. Update password. Paste. Update it. Okay, we have time zone. Copy time zone to computer. Very lovely. And again submit. We have reboot device. Firmware. We can put upgrade firmware. We could choose the file. Of course, we must search the file for this device on internet. Okay, back. We have the repeater. Now we're going to set up the repeater. We're choosing our main wireless. This is for me. Put okay, whatever name you want. So easy. Your password. Apply. And voila. In a little bit longer we do have. We are just waiting the wireless. Okay, it is, and we are going here again down to monitor, and we're choosing again connect automatically. Oh, connected secure, and this was so easy. And we can go again to our menu of our router and change whatever we need and we want. Well, thank you very much guys for watching this lovely €9 from eBay Wi-Fi repeater. It is cheap and he's doing his job. Thank you very much again. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Oh, please subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future, and of course like or dislike my videos. Thank you very much again. Bye bye.